In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install UberMenu on your WordPress site. So you can follow along with these instructions in the support guide, the latest version of which is always available at wpmegamenu.com/help. We're currently in the installation and setup part of the guide. So here's a demo site that I have set up. It's using the Agility WordPress theme. You can see that there's a basic menu here, and we're going to replace this menu with UberMenu. So if we look at our backend quickly, you can see that in the Appearance Menus tab, we've created a menu called Main Menu, and we've set that in the primary menu theme location, which is the theme location defined by the theme, the menu location defined by the theme for Agility. So to install UberMenu, we go to Plugins, Add New, then click Upload. Then we'll choose our file, and you find the file that you downloaded from Code Canyon on your hard drive. It looks like this. It's a zip file. You don't actually need to unzip it before installing it. Click Open, then click Install Now. Now you just need to give it your FTP or SSH information depending on what you're using. This is just like installing a normal plugin from the repository. Click Proceed. And now WordPress will actually go through the installation process. So I'm going to pause this while that runs because it can take a minute. So once the installation process has completed, you'll see the message "Plugin installed successfully." Just click Activate Plugin. And once the installation process is complete, you'll see this pop up where you can take a little tour of what UberMenu does. So first it'll bring us over to the Appearance Menus page. This is where you can create a menu, and then you set that menu in the theme location like we've already done because we've already got our theme configured beforehand. Now this is the important part where we tell UberMenu which menu, or really which theme location, it should turn into a mega menu. So we only have one available, and we're going to choose Primary Menu. Then we click Save. So prior to doing that, we still had the basic menu on the home page. But once we tell it to apply UberMenu to the primary menu theme location, now once we reload this page, you'll see that we've got an UberMenu here. So if you finish up the rest of the tour, you'll see that there's also the UberMenu control panel. Where you can configure a variety of options for your menu. So for now, we're going to go back to the Appearance Menus page. There's a few things we'll want to do. For example, our home button shouldn't have well, by default, all of your menu items will become mega menu items, but they don't have to be. So, for example, home is just a plain menu item, so we're going to uncheck Activate Mega Menu on it. You'll see that each one of your menu items gets this extra options panel specifically for UberMenu. And let's say that we want blog page, instead of being a mega menu, to be a flyout menu. Again, we'll uncheck Activate Mega Menu. Save our menu, refresh the home page, and you'll see that now home is just a plain old menu item with no drop down, and blog page is a flyout menu. And if you go over to the UberMenu control panel, this is where you can change all sorts of different things about the menu. Probably the most interesting of which is the style configuration, where you can set your preset to whatever you want. And that'll immediately change how your menu looks. So in the next tutorials, I'm going to walk you through how to create each one of these different tabs in the demo menu on wpmegamenu.com.